just finished it yesterday and I can tell you all about it. The music is called Star Whisper. There's 582 pieces and it's a level 1, 2, 3, it's a level 5. This isn't an easy one just because of the mechanics. Let me show you and then I'll tell you all about the build. So here's the power on and off, and everything kind of moves. It looks like it's making stars. So it's got the conveyor belt right here behind the plastic. Right here it looks like there's a stamp, like it's stamping stars, and then comes out here and it's on a, you know, a rotating surface. Up here with this, I think I put this on backwards because the other side you can see the face, but not really sure what that is, but it moves. We've got the spinny thing. And then back here, this is a bottle, and you put, you know, there's lighting inside of here that's not battery operated, it's USB-C operated. Now, if you touch the button again, it just takes the music away and it still is lit up. Do you hear? It's pretty smooth. That's because when you get them, you get these waxes. And everywhere it's yellow in the instructions, you just coat that with wax. And it makes it so that everything moves real smooth. Really be generous. Really be generous with the wax and everything will go smoothly. So if you've never done a 3D puzzle, I'm gonna use this other Tone Shear box as an example. When you open it up, you get your directions. You'll get all your puzzle pieces on these wooden panels. Each one of the panels will have the puzzle pieces and they all have like a number, like this is J5. In the bottom, you'll get lots of different packages and like that's the lighting. So the most important thing I'm gonna tell you about doing a 3D puzzle is do not pop any of these puzzle pieces off of any of the panels because this is your guide. You need these numbers, you need them to connect to each one of the puzzle pieces. So with the Star Workshop, you'll open it up and you'll get 2 of these. They're kind of stuck to the page, actually right here on the outside. The rough side, the sparkly side goes to the inside. Every language is available here. On this page, it'll show you each one of the pieces of the little things in the little bags and the number that goes with them. And in the directions, it'll have these numbers. So if you're at all confused as to what you're trying to grab, it'll show you. The very beginning on the Transmission Star Workshop is to build the tools you'll need to continue the build. So these are the little tools. They are invaluable. These are extremely important. Also, they're double-sided tape dots. It makes it so you don't really have to use glue, but you still have to use glue. And you'll be using these the entire time throughout the build. These are the gappers so that everything rotates. You just put it together, put this in, and then you can pull them out after it's put together and you have the perfect gap so that everything turns correctly. And you just go along step by step. Like, don't jump ahead. Do everything in order. One little motor turns this entire thing. So every time you put another gear on, just turn it on. Make sure that everything turns exactly the way it's supposed to. Don't put it together and then just turn it on and pray that it is a nice, smooth build. You really need to test it as you go. I tested this every step of the way and it is a really smooth build. So that's my little video on telling you about the Star Workshop. I hope you have a great time. This is not an overnight build. This will probably take you a week, a couple hours a day, but look at how nice that is.